Today, I'm making simple white chocolate Easter eggs. I slowly melt the unrefined cocoa butter using water bath so the heat stays gentle and helps preserve its natural nutrient and antioxidant. Next, I mixed in powdered sugar to sweeten the melted cocoa butter and create the base of the white chocolate. Then I add in powdered milk, which gives the chocolate its smooth texture and creamy flavor. More powdered milk. Let's add some little. I'll add small drop of pink oil-based food coloring in the chocolate mixture. Then I'll put this in the freezer for like 1 minute before adding the chocolate mixture to it. It's good now. Let's solidify. It's time to add egg. The mold goes into the freezer until the chocolate shells are fully set. Now it's time to unmold them. I'll fill each chocolate egg with Starburst jelly beans for a fun surprise inside. I gently warm the edges on the hot pan and press them together to seal the eggs smoothly. I'll repeat the same process till I fill them all. Yeah, it's time to unveil and taste the Easter chocolate eggs. I'm excited. And that's how simple ingredients turn unrefined cocoa butter into cute homemade Easter eggs. Yeah. Let's break it. Let's make our Easter egg. Look at that. That's what we have in our Easter egg. Let's put it this way. Food grade unrefined cocoa butter keeps its natural nutrients and chocolate aroma, making it great for rich homemade chocolate and for deeply moisturizing and protecting the skin and skincare. What video would you like me to make next? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support me. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay.